XLOOKUP is an older Excel formula that helps you find data in a table by looking up a value. XLOOKUP is a newer, more flexible formula that can search in any direction and find exact matches more easily. Both formulas are useful for finding information quickly in Excel. For understand this, let's go on table content. Table of content. 1. What is VLOOKUP? 2. VLOOKUP advantages and uses. 3. Why you learn VLOOKUP? 4. What is XLOOKUP and uses? 5. What concepts included in eBook? 6. VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP eBook demo. What is VLOOKUP? The VLOOKUP function searches for a value in the first column of a given range and returns a value in the same row from another column. For example, cell C3 is equal to VLOOKUP 102 A6 F17 4 false, finds 102 in the first column and returns the corresponding value from the fourth column. A VLOOKUP tutorial video shows how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel to search for a value in the first column of a table and return a value in the same row from a specified column. VLOOKUP advantage and uses. 1. Ease of use. 2. Efficiency. 3. Automation. 4. Data retrieval. 5. Reporting. 6. Database management, and more. Why you learn VLOOKUP? 1. Enhances efficiency. 2. Improves accuracy. 3. Increases productivity. 4. Supports decision making. 5. Widely used skill. 6. Versatile application. What is XLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is a powerful function in Microsoft Excel used to search for a value in a range or array and return a corresponding value from another range or array. For example, cell C3 is equal to XLOOKUP 102 A6 A17 D6 D17 finds 102 in the first column and returns the corresponding value from the fourth column. Syntax: XLOOKUP, lookup value, lookup underscore array, return underscore array. XLOOKUP uses in Excel 365. XLOOKUP is a versatile function with many uses in Excel. Here are some common scenarios where XLOOKUP can be particularly useful. 1. Simple VLOOKUP. 2. Left to right and right to left lookup data. 3. Handling missing data. 4. Wildcard matching. 5. Reverse search. 6. Dynamic range and more. What concept and functions included in XLOOKUP eBook? Like VLOOKUP function, XLOOKUP function, index function, match function, wildcards concept, two-way XLOOKUP, XLOOKUP errors and shortcuts, and more. This ebook offers in-depth knowledge on VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index match. VLOOKUP is used to search for a value in the first column of a range and return a value in the same row from a specified column, but mainly used in old version. XLOOKUP, introduced in Excel 365, is more versatile. XLOOKUP searches a range or array for a match and returns a corresponding value from another range or array. It handles exact, approximate, and wildcard matches, can search from bottom to top, and provides a default value if no match. Index match combines the index and match functions to perform more flexible and dynamic lookups, allowing searches in any direction and overcoming VLOOKUP's limitations, such as its inability to search left or handle large datasets efficiently. This guide will enhance your data lookup skills in Excel. This ebook covers the table of contents for VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP comprehensively. detailing their functions, syntax, and practical applications. It includes step-by-step guides, real-world examples, troubleshooting tips, and comparisons. Additionally, it addresses common errors and offers advanced techniques to enhance data lookup efficiency in Excel, making it an essential resource for both beginners and advanced users. This ebook includes hyperlink for every concept of Vlookup and Xlookup, along with a table of contents for easy navigation. You can quickly find and understand each topic, making it simple to learn how to use these powerful Excel functions effectively. The detailed table of contents allows you to quickly find specific topics and jump directly to them. The hyperlinked concepts with table of contents enhance your learning experience. This ebook is designed to make learning Vlookup and Xlookup in Excel easy and enjoyable. It's filled with colorful visuals, clear explanations, and lots of examples that guide you through each step. Whether you are just starting or want to master advanced techniques, it covers everything from the basics to troubleshooting tips. You'll learn how to efficiently find and match data, compare the differences between Vlookup and Xlookup, and apply these functions to real-world scenarios. This ebook includes third-party videos for visual learners, offering clear demonstrations of using Vlookup and Xlookup in Excel. Each video breaks down concepts into easy-to-follow steps with practical examples. Whether you are new to Excel or seeking advanced tips, these visuals provide comprehensive guidance to master data lookup techniques effectively. An Excel ebook dedicated to Vlookup and Xlookup would provide practical exercises to help users apply these functions effectively. Each exercise in the ebook would simulate real-world scenarios, such as managing inventory, analyzing sales data, or organizing customer information. By practicing these exercises, users gain practical experience and confidence in utilizing Vlookup and Xlookup to solve everyday challenges efficiently within Excel.